Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best measuring tape reels that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Amazon Basics 100 FT tape measure. The Amazon Basics open reel fiberglass tape measure is 100 feet, 30 meters long with both inch and metric scales, ideal for reliable strength and flexibility. The non-stretch, wear-resistant, vinyl-coated fiberglass tape is 1.2 inch wide. The tape measure also features a versatile end hook for easy connections and a shock-absorbing rubber handle for a secure, comfortable hold. An impact-resistant shell in easy-to-see bright orange protects the rolled-up tape. Moving on, at number 4, we have the QWORK 330 dual-sided tape measure. The QWORK tape measure is designed for durability and ease of use. Its premium fiberglass construction ensures that it is soft yet strong, making it suitable for various measuring tasks. You will appreciate the ergonomic handle, which allows for comfortable gripping during extended use, reducing fatigue. This tape measure features dual sides with one side marked in inches and feet, while the other displays metric measurements. This versatility lets you switch between measurement systems effortlessly. Additionally, the fast rewinding mechanism helps you organize the tape quickly, saving you time and effort. At number 3, we have the QWORK Fiberglass Engineered Tape Measure 12 x 100. The QWORK fiberglass tape is designed to make measuring easier and more efficient. Its premium fiberglass material ensures the tape is flexible, long-lasting, and resistant to water, so you can use it in different environments without worry. The ergonomic handle offers a comfortable grip, allowing you to work for extended periods without hand fatigue. This tape measure is double-sided, featuring both imperial units on one side and metric units on the other, making it versatile for various projects. Plus, the fast rewind feature with a side hand reel lets you quickly and safely retract the tape without straining your hands. At number 2, we have the Komelon 6611IM tape reel with double nylon coated blade. The Komelon 6611IM tape reel features a double nylon coated blade, which ensures durability and extends the life of the tape. The double-sided printing allows for easy measurement in both feet, inches, and metric units. The heavy-duty ABS frame provides sturdiness, and the rubber hand grip provides comfort during use. The versatile end hook is useful for a variety of measurements, and the two-color blade makes it easy to read. A stake is included for one-person operation, making it a convenient tool for any job site. And finally, at number 1, we have the Champion Sports Open Reel Fiberglass Measuring Tape. The Champion Sports Measuring Tape is designed to make your measuring tasks simple and accurate. It features a dual-sided tape with feet on one side and meters on the other, so you can easily switch between units depending on your needs. The tape is made from tough vinyl fiberglass, which resists stretching to give you reliable measurements every time. With a sturdy hand crank, winding the tape back is quick and hassle-free, saving you time and effort. Plus, the built-in metal spike helps keep the tape steady by anchoring it into the ground, making it easier for you to measure uneven or dirt surfaces without the tape slipping. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.